for another deep dive.
Always ready to dive in.
Well, today we're looking at something that I think pretty much everyone online has seen at this point.
Definitely seen it, yeah.
But we're going to take a closer look. Super Chat and Super Stickers.
Yeah, those are...
They're everywhere these days, right?
I mean, you see them anytime you watch a premiere or a live stream on YouTube.
Exactly. And whether you're the one hitting that send button or you're the creator on the receiving end,
Yeah.
these features are kind of a big deal.
Oh, they're huge.
So we really want to unpack how Super Chat and Super Stickers are changing the game for online content creation.
Absolutely. And I think what a lot of people don't realize is that there's a real art to using these features effectively.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, on the surface, it might seem pretty straightforward.
Yeah, just like throwing money at the screen to get your message seen, right?
Right. But there's so much more to it than that.
Absolutely. I mean, for creators, it's not just about the extra cash. It can be a really powerful way to build a stronger sense of community.
Yeah, and I think for fans, it's like you said, they want to be heard. They want to stand out from the crowd.
Especially in a really busy chat.
Exactly. And potentially even like connect with their favorite creators on a more personal level.
Yeah. You know, one thing that really fascinates me about Super Chat and Super Stickers is that they've actually introduced a new layer of strategy to content creation.
Oh, interesting.
Like, if you think about it, creators now have to think about how they can weave these features into their content in a way that feels authentic and engaging.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it can't just be like a constant barrage of send me money, you know?
No, absolutely not. It has to be organic. You know, like imagine a gamer who just beat a really difficult boss.
Oh, yeah.
And to celebrate a viewer, sends a super sticker, like a treasure chest popping open.
Oh.
It's like a little mini celebration right there on the stream, you know?
It's a shared moment between the creator and the fans.
Exactly.
Like everyone's in on the excitement.
Yeah. And then on the flip side, you have Super Chat, which can be so effective for Q&A sessions.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Because if you're a creator, you can prioritize those questions from your Super Chat users.
Makes sense.
You're making sure that those fans feel heard and valued. Plus, let's be real.
Yeah.
When you've got thousands of comments flying by, it's almost impossible to catch everything.
It's true. It's true.
So Super Chat kind of creates that direct line of communication.
It does. But okay, I do got to ask.
Yeah.
Doesn't this whole Super Chat thing raise concerns about creating like a pay-to-play environment?
You know, that is a valid concern, and it's something that creators have to be really mindful of. I think the key here is transparency.
Right.
If you're going to prioritize Super Chat questions over regular ones, just be upfront about it with your audience.
Yeah.
Explain why you're doing it and make sure that you're still engaging with all of your viewers in other ways.
I feel like it's similar to how some industries offer those premium access or VIP experiences
Yeah.
where you get added perks for paying more, but the core experience is still valuable even if you don't shell out the extra cash.
Absolutely. It's all about striking that balance. And you know, this actually reminds me of something.
What's that?
Like, the impact of these features really varies depending on the type of content you're creating.
Oh, yeah. How so?
Well, think about like a musician doing a live performance online,
Okay. Yeah.
and they start taking song requests through Super Chat.
Oh, wow.
And that's such a unique experience you really can't get anywhere else.
No, you can't.
Yeah.
It's like having your own personal jukebox.
Exactly. And as a creator, you have the chance to like weave those interactions into your performance.
Right.
And it becomes so much more than just about the money, you know?
Yeah, it's about that connection.
Yeah. A much deeper level of engagement with the audience.
So we've talked a lot about how creators can use Super Chat and Super Stickers strategically.
We have.
We've touched on some of the potential downsides, but I want to step back for a second and look at the bigger picture. Where do these features fit into the future of content creation as a whole?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
It really is. Are these features just a passing trend, or are we looking at like a fundamental shift in the relationship between creators and their fans?
Well, I think as these tools continue to evolve,
Yeah,
we're going to see even more creative and sophisticated ways of using them.
for sure.
And it really makes you wonder, are we heading towards a model where audiences have more direct control over the content they consume?
That's a really interesting thought. So much to consider.
Yeah, and I think the key for creators moving forward is going to be finding that sweet spot where they can leverage Super Chat and Super Stickers to enhance the experience for everyone,
Right.
while still staying true to themselves and maintaining that genuine connection with their audience.
It's a balancing act for sure. But hey, that's the world of online content creation for you. always changing.
Always evolving.
So next time you're watching a live stream or a premiere,
Yeah.
take a closer look at how the creators are using Super Chat and Super Stickers.
You never know.
You might just be witnessing the future of online content right there in the chat.
That's a great point.
Well, on that note, we're going to wrap things up here.
Sounds good.
But as always, keep those brains buzzing, and we'll catch you in the next deep dive.
See ya. Bye, everyone.